In a bright and colorful tiny garage, small tools were carefully arranged on a little table, and toy cars of different colors rested quietly on the shelves. One afternoon, a small toy car slowly rolled into the garage but suddenly stopped moving, its wheels slightly loose and dusty. Small hands gently picked up the car and examined it with patience, turning it around and checking every part carefully. Tiny tools were used to tighten the wheel, clean the dust, and gently fix the small engine area. The garage filled with soft tapping sounds, creating a calm and focused feeling. Time passed slowly as the car was repaired with care and attention. When the work was done, the toy car was placed back on the floor. At first, it moved slowly, then rolled smoothly, and finally zoomed happily around the tiny garage. The car shined under the warm light, and the garage felt full of joy and excitement. Everyone watching felt proud and happy, understanding something simple yet important. Even small efforts can solve problems. Helping, fixing, and not giving up can turn difficult moments into happy ones. In that tiny garage, a small act of care created a big smile and a feeling of hope that stayed long after the car kept rolling.